Well, hello guys. So I have an exciting video for you today. Well, hello everyone. I'm Peaches from Healthy Life Farms, and you guys all know me as Peaches from Lovers of Healthy Life. So this is a two-part video. I'm going to do a review of this awesome product right here from Grub Terra. I'm going to give you a quick little farm tour for the spring. So guys, I want to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It looks a little bit like the mealworms, but a little bit fatter, I guess. But anyway, some really good facts is that they produces stronger eggshells. It keeps feathers healthy. It's farm raised, and basically it gives you 75% more calcium than the mealworms do. And here at Healthy Life Farms, we feed our chickens organically. We give them organic feed. We feed them all organic from the gardens. So yeah, so this is a non-GMO product. So we're gonna go ahead and give this product a try, see if our chickens like it. Now we have two coops. I have a coop directly behind me, and there's the second coop is right there. There's our second coop, and then right here in the middle is our sitting area, our little courtyard. Yeah, we have two coops here, so we have a total of 34 chickens, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about our chickens a little later on. We had a broody mom that gave birth to 2 chickens here on the farm, and then we had another broody mom that got off of her chickens and just decided she didn't want to be a mom, I guess. So we had to put them in the incubator, and so we have some chickens that are getting ready to hatch as well. So some exciting things happening. So stick around and we'll tell you a little bit more about that later. So this is like a little cup size. I would say it's about 1 cup. So I'm going to divide these between the 2 chicken coops. And that's about all you really need, because it's just a little snack. It's not meant for their feed, but just a little snack for the chickens. Okay, so here are the mealworms. I'm just going to put a little bit in my hand here. You guys hungry? Yeah, I say they really like it. Come on, Rooster, you can have some too. There's plenty for everybody. We got some babies back there. I like to throw them separately. Wow. Okay, so that's about half gone. So now we're gonna go over to the other coop. Hey girls, you guys want a little snack? Here you go. Got some for you. I should say they really love this snack. Oh my goodness. You guys love this, huh? Yay!